Alright, so we need to find a formula. So let's use this formula to find the distance from the lighthouse to the boat. So here's my boat. And here is our lighthouse. Now, this description is not too great. It's not too great because it doesn't give us the boat to the bottom or base. So let's write some words. Bottom. They'll also call this the base. They also call this the foot of the lighthouse. Or we can also talk about to where the light is shining or something like that. They just weren't very specific. So as I look at the answer, I already know that they're talking about this distance. Well, if this is my given angle, we've been learning that here you have your trig ratio, so trig, and then here you have an angle, and then here you have a ratio. So let's label it from our given angle. Class, this side is called the, and then this one is the. Now in the word problems, our assumption is that these objects are straight or perpendicular to the ground, which means that they form a right angle. And then this side is the adjacent side.
You labeled the hypotenuse adjacent.
Of course I did, to show you that you were paying attention. That was the hypotenuse. Did it give us the length?
78 feet.
So this is 78. And which one do we not need?
Adjacent.
So if I don't need the adjacent, partner A, tell partner B which trig ratio are we going to use. Class, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Sine.
Sine, right? Because it's the only one that doesn't have A for adjacent. What's our angle?
27 degrees.
And then our ratio is opposite of the hypotenuse. So I have sine of 27. Go ahead and do your substitutions. 78 feet over the hypotenuse, which is x. Class, how do you solve proportions? Cross multiply. So I have x times sine of 27 equals x. This is degrees, so make sure you're on degree mode. Look, picked up a calculator, it's on radian. I'm going to do this every single time. Why did I write x up here? X times sine 20 equals 78. My mistake. And then I'm trying to solve for x, so I'm going to have to divide both sides by sine of 27. This gives me a calculator-ready equation of 78 over sine of 27. Now that I've done all the work, now I'm going to put in my calculator. 78 divided by an extra set of parentheses, sine of 27. And we're rounding to the nearest whole number. So that would be what class?
72.
Now let's go back to making sense of this problem. They weren't too specific, but I kind of guided you to this one, so they should be more specific. Eventually, when we have word problems, you have to draw a picture. Hopefully it's more clear. Think about this. X represents the hypotenuse, which should be the longest side of the triangle. 172 is longer than 78, and this unknown length, which we assume is going to be less than 172. So that does make sense in our problem.